It will be mixing silicon after the calibration is complete. Enter G92 E0 I0 in G-code input text field to set the current position to E0 and I0. Then enter G1 E600 I600 F200 in G-code input text field. To extrude E and I axes at the same time and get mixed together in the mixing tubing smoothly. After entering G1 E600 I600 F200 in G-code input text field, we can see silicon A and silicon B are mixing together in mixing tubing as F200 speed. It takes a few minutes during the mixing. At the same time, we can go to software and slicing first.